wanted to share with you today from my studio a board that you can use to paint on with oil and coal wax, acrylic mixed media, a lot of different painting mediums that you can use on it. This is an AlumaComp archival aluminum painting panel. They are acid free. They're very rigid and strong and very lightweight. They are archival and they will not decay. So they're a very good option for us to use for oil and coal wax. They have a polished side and a burnished side, so there's a little texture on one side, and you peel the paper off, and I will show you that. And if you get fingerprints on there, they can be cleaned off with isopropyl alcohol, and it just gives us another surface to play with. This is the polished side. You can gesso them if you want to, but because they are archival, you can paint directly on these panels. And that's what I just wanted to do, a little demo for you today to show you how beautifully they react to the oil and coal wax. And you may want to give it a try. They come in a lot of different sizes, and usually I buy them from Jerry's Artarama. By using these panels, it is a way of excavating back through and bringing back up a touch of a glitz instead of adding that later on. And I just always am open to sorry about that. Sophie is being very vocal in the studio, but I enjoy trying different surfaces and new products. And all of the same type of techniques that you do with your other panels can also be done with the AlumaComp panels. It's a very smooth and slick surface. It's just always fun to try a product that you haven't tried before, just to see if it may be something that you enjoy using more than other things. It's a lot of fun to dig back through then and let some of that aluminum show through, and I'm not sure if the camera can see that. But to lift and excavate out. Do a blend with your fingers. It is a little slicker of a surface, but it can give you some very interesting ways to excavate back through and show some of that metallic underneath. And I wanted to share this with you today so that you may want to try some of the AlumaComp panels. And it just gives you another surface that you can try for your oil and coal wax. And happy to hear any comments that you have. And I will see you next time in the studio.